Hi everyone, welcome to eldikaskitchen.com. I'm your host, Lady M. Today we're featuring pecan maple tarts. I am going to marry spring and fall. I'm using Parmentiers maple sugar, Parmentiers maple syrup. Parmentiers Sugar Bush can be found in Tweed, Ontario. I like going local. They're a lovely family. Their maple sugar is one of the best that I've had compared to what's in the supermarket, and their maple syrup is really good. I'll have a phone number where you can contact them to get some of the products that they have. So I'm going to take these away, but know that this is the stuff that we're using, all from Parmentiers. In this bowl, I have pecans, maple sugar. Here I have some tarts that I bought from the store. You can make your own, but these are just store-bought tarts. Again, the recipes for both dessert will be in the description box. Here I have eggs, maple syrup, and some melted butter. So to the maple sugar, I'm gonna add the butter. I'm gonna add the maple syrup and the eggs. This recipe is very easy. Everyone will enjoy it. And like I said, I'm marrying spring and fall because everybody thinks of maple sugar, maple syrup in the spring, but it's gonna be a fall thing. So here we have it. It's nice and combined. You can use any type of nuts that you're comfortable with. Some people are allergic to pecans. I can't have walnuts, so I use pecans. So you can add peanuts if you wanted. But it's the maple sugar and syrup that gives this recipe its standing ovation. So I'm just gonna fill these up like so. And make sure your oven is set at 350 because these take about 20-25 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. That's when you take it out and you serve it. Again, get your kids involved. This is easy. Okay, I'm just gonna stick this in the oven at 350 for about 20-25 minutes. And here we have dessert number 2. These again are store-bought. I just bought some pastry shells from the store. I was too busy, didn't have time to make it. You can also use the same tart shell for this. The recipe again will be in the description box. I'm just egg washing the pastry. 1 egg beaten with a little bit of milk. You could also use water. I'm gonna tell you what we're using for the filling. So make sure your edges are nice and coated. Oops. Let me just try to get it run away from me there. In this bowl, I have maple syrup, maple sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, 1 apple, and 2 pears that I've cut finely, a little bit of cornstarch, and a pinch of nutmeg, a little bit of triple sec, and juice of half of a fresh mandarin. So I had that sitting there for a little while. And all I'm gonna do is just put this in the center. This you can have as is, or like I'll show you when I'm done. You can serve it with ice cream, and it's really good. Oops, trying to run away again. Now, if you don't have triple sec, you can use whatever liqueur you have or just omit it. I just love the flavor that a triple sec gives with the mandarin juice. It's just a preference. I'm gonna stick this in the oven. Now I have both desserts in the oven. But here's my platter of the finished product. So like I said, these are the tarts that went into the oven, and these are the pastry with the pear and the apple. Now with this, what I like to do is serve it with some ice cream, and I'm hoping that this ice cream is pliable. I have a nice scoop of cherry ice cream. I'm gonna put it on top. And that's how I like to serve it. So maple pecan tarts and pear maple pastry. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I hope you try the recipe, and I hope that if you can't find maple sugar, that you call the Parmentiers. I'll have their number at the bottom in the description box to place an order. You will not be unhappy with the products. It's one of the best that I've used. We're gonna taste this. Oh, but it's so good. So please try this recipe. And like I said, you don't have to make the pastries yourself. You can buy them from the store like I did, because I didn't have time to make it. Until the next video, which I'll be introducing again the maple syrup and the maple sugar. This is Lady M saying be safe. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Try the recipe and explore new things. Can't travel? Tour the world with food. Bye for now.